everyone, Super Hero's Kitchen, welcome. Welcome to Super Hero's Kitchen. So today I'm making for the Japanese tonkatsu. Tonkatsu is a pork cutlet. So easy to make it. So I'll show you how to make Japanese style tonkatsu. Yes, so ingredients today: panko plated dry bread powder and the egg. This wheat powder, the cabbage, and then topping for the tomato. And then this is bonsui egg. And then pork. This I prepared today pork loin. So before beginning the starting, the pork make tenderness to make it whole. So use a fork. Okay. Upside down, flip out, and do one more side. Just salt, black pepper, and I don't want to touch too hard. Now this is for the two people. Yeah. You like tonkatsu, so you can make at home. So you don't have to go to any more restaurant. Okay. And this is wheat powder. These are for everywhere. About on the side. Egg. So coating everywhere. This for the egg is for the attach, easy to attach to the for the panko. Also the panko powder, breaded powder using for the making the crispy after the deep fry. See? Then this one. One more piece. I'm making for the very simple cooking. So if you like a little more leaves, you wanna use a herb and then put it out pork, it's alright. From the top, the push is better. Pushing. Yeah, down, corner, down. Okay, and then I preheat it for the oil. This around like 170, 180 too high. I'm cooking for the just lower temperature to higher to the good time to succeed to make it tonkatsu. So I'm starting for the around 160. Yeah, these are preheated. You can see these are quite high. Okay. Now same time I'm making a two-piece together. Yeah. And then during the time, you can see. So meantime, I try to cut in the cabbage. Okay. So it looks like a julienne cut. Using the knife, we say that like a nekote, like a cat's head. The band is for the top. So moving slowly to the left hand, very slowly moving. In the right hand, for just cutting first. Either you can make it like a shredded, with a very thin cabbage. You can cut. If you like a scary to cutting those cabbage, you can use it for the slicer. Slicer even works. But I'm professional, so I can cut it myself. Sometimes I talk too much, I cut it myself to the finger. So this time I'm shooting for the YouTube. A little bit nervous, but I will concentrate. So after cutting, is making the crispy the cabbage. We put in the soak the water. Yeah, it's our water. And then after the little, maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and then strainer use and then cut the water. Then can make it like this. And tomato. It's a sweet grape tomato, organic. Japanese people with the lucky 7, so we are cutting us 7. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Japanese people like lucky 7. Not like a division. Okay. Yeah. Back to the tonkatsu. Very good. Even still cooking. In the pork katsu, I cut it a little thick. So we must poke it and we must cook inside too. Not like a medium rare thing with a stomach ache. So when you're ready, you can see some like fried things that come the bubble up and then float in the for the pork. But the float in the pork is a little bit too late. So first starting the small bubble. Now they're getting medium bubble and then big bubble, and then something like kind of tempura, same thing. Like change the bubble sounds different. But how different you cannot choose, you cannot tell, right? So I think for the at home, looks like a yellow color, little brown color, and then little bubbles up. I think, yeah, ready to pick up. And then little after the for the take off the from the oil, and then high temperature, slowly cooking inside. It's good for the tonkatsu. So outside crispy, inside juicy is best way. So just leave 1 minute. Yeah, look at this. This is good. Looks 美味しそう。Okay. Just leave it. Just nice. For Japanese grocery store, you can get a tonkatsu sauce. Tonkatsu sauce means like tonkatsu. Tonkatsu for makanai. There's a big size, 1.8 liter size. You can get Japanese grocery store, I think 500 ml or 350 ml. You can get a small one. Okay, almost there. Ready to cut it. Nice. It's good. Cut up in cooking inside, cook slowly. Awesome. Sounds good. Crispy sounds. Okay. Good. Yes. Thank you very much, everyone. It's good. Make it tonkatsu today. So, bon appetit for your dinner. Oh, and also don't forget if you like my video, please subscribe and then please appreciate give it a like. Thank you for watching. So see you next time to the cooking. Thank you.